Custom wallpaper is an easy and exciting way to transform a room. To get started on hanging your personalised wallpaper, you'll need a few things. First of all, you need to prepare your wall. Start by removing any flakes of old wallpaper or paint, filling holes and sanding the wall until it's smooth. It is important to get the wall surface as smooth as possible to allow for easy application of the wallpaper. Now your walls are ready, unroll your wallpaper and cut along the cutting lines to create your wallpaper panels. Ensure you cut accurately to allow for excess bleed space for when you wallpaper. Once cut, look for the number on each panel and arrange in consecutive order to prevent confusion when hanging. Now you need to mark out where your first wallpaper panel will hang. Measure the width of your wallpaper panels and then pick a starting point on the left-hand side of your wall. From this point, use a tape measure and pencil to mark the panel's width on the wall. Once marked, draw a vertical line from this pencil point down your wall. This will act as a guideline when hanging your first panel. With the first panel area marked out, cover your paint roller in paste and apply the paste liberally to the designated strip of wall. Make sure you cover the whole wall by applying paste along the edges and in corners, being careful not to get it on skirting boards, floors or ceilings. Now, carefully apply the first panel of wallpaper, sliding it into position and using your hands to slowly guide it along the vertical line you marked earlier. Once applied, use a smoothing tool or damp sponge to press the panel to the wall, flatten any air bubbles and remove excess paste. Use a craft knife to carefully trim the top, bottom and vertical edges of your wallpaper panels, wiping away any excess paste as you go. Next, roll paste onto the adjacent wall section and along the edges using your brush. Aligning your second panel with your first, carefully apply your wallpaper and use your hands to press it against the wall. As it unfolds, check that your image is consistent and uninterrupted across the panels. Again, use a damp cloth to remove any air or impurities and continue with the rest of the wall. Once your custom wallpaper is complete, you'll be amazed to see how it's transformed your room. Hanging custom wallpaper is easy, but if you want a professional finish without the work, our expert and qualified tradesmen will happily do the job.